Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Today I am going to review LA18 Liquid Lip Color, that is a very new launch. Without further wasting any time, let's get straight to the swatches, and while swatching the lip colors, I will give you a review of these lip colors, and I will also talk about the particular lip color I am swatching. The first shade is called Nutty Latte, which is a true dark brown color, and I really love it. It will suit all skin tones, especially dark and deep skin tones. These lipsticks retail for 120 rupees each, and the packaging is color coded, so you can see what shade you are picking up. The formula is extremely matte yet comfortable, which is a really good point of this lipstick. The next shade, Perfect Pink, is a peachy pink color which I really loved, and it will suit very fair to medium skin tones. On dark skin tones, I don't think this will look good, but with a darker lip liner, it will work perfectly for all the skin tones. But in this video, I have not used any lip liner, and I have swatched the lipsticks on my bare naked face without makeup and with makeup. So the next shade is Tawny Wood, which is a perfect woody color, and I really loved this color, to be honest. This will suit all skin tones, and especially on darker skin tones it will look a beautiful nude color. These lipsticks are very comfortable, but they have some kind of fragrance that I didn't like. The next shade, Pink Grape, is one of my most favorite colors from this range. This is a very light nude pink kind of a color which will suit especially fair to medium skin tones, and darker skin tone girls can pull this off with a darker lip liner. These lipsticks will stay on your lips for 7 to 8 hours if you do not eat oily food. The next shade, Purple Berry, is a beautiful purple color which will work across skin tones. These lipsticks leave a little bit of stain when they are removed from your lips, or they are weared off eventually. That is why you don't have to worry if your lips will look naked when it wears off. But I will always recommend a reapplication when it wears off. Next shade, Nude Pump, is a true peachy pink nude color which you will really love to pull off with some heavy makeup. And this will work across skin tones if you use a proper lip liner. Otherwise, it may wash out the darker skin tones. The shade range of this lipstick range is huge, and it has all kind of varieties. The next shade, Pink Blossom, is a deep fuchsia pink color kind of, but it is a darker fuchsia color and will work across skin tones. I really liked this lipstick shade especially. This lipstick line provides you a beautiful shade range of 20 colors to choose from at a very affordable price, and this will be a perfect gift for your friends or mother or even yourself. The next shade, Flamenco Pink, is a purplish mauvey pinkish shade which will work across skin tones, and I will recommend you to buy this shade particularly because I really loved it. But the only thing that bothered me of this lipstick is its fragrance. The next shade is Pink Ballet, and this is another peachy corally color which is leaning towards pink a little bit, and this will work really good on fair to medium skin tones, and darker skin tone girls will be able to pull this off with proper lip liner. The next shade, Pink Pout, is another pinkish mauvish purplish shade which is really similar to the flamingo pink color but a little bit darker, and this will work again across skin tones. If you don't like brighter pinks, this is the best option you can go for. The next shade, Flattering Nude, is a brownish peach color, or you can say a proper peach color. Yeah. This is a very beautiful color, and I really love this color. To be honest, this will work across skin tones with proper lip liner, and this is the perfect color to pair with your black smoky eye. Shade Lavender Hues is a mauvey dark purple color which will work across skin tones. If you want something different, like a little bit of different color to stand out from the crowd, then you can definitely opt for any of the purplish colors from this range, and they are beautiful. Take my words, guys, and thank me later. The next shade, Deep Coral, is a orangish corally shade which I think will work across skin tones, and this will especially look good on darker skin tones. This is one of the colors that I really loved from this range. The next shade, Wanderlust Red, is a maroonish darker red but definitely not a maroon shade, and I think this will work across skin tones, but my dark beauties will actually rock this shade. The next shade, Lilac Galaxy, is a purplish mauve shade, and I love this color, and I think this will look good across skin tone. Don't be afraid, my dark skin beauties, this is gonna look best on you. If any of you have not yet used any mauve shade, my friend, I am 100% recommending you this color. The next shade, Orchid Fantasy, is another beautiful proper purple shade. As you can see, a true purple it is, and this will work across skin tone, and this will make you look different from the whole crowd. I love this shade. I was searching for such a color for so long time, and I have at last found something like this. Next shade, Sangria Blanca, is a very deep dark sangria color which I really loved, and I think this color will suit all skin tones, and especially my dark skin beauties, you are gonna rock this color. If you are if you have very fair skin, this is gonna look almost black on you, and you're gonna love this color actually. Please ignore the pinkish mark around my lips. My lips was almost pink, the area was almost pink. So the next shade, Burnt Red, is a true burnt red kind of color which has a little bit of hint of brown in it, and I really love this color. This color will suit across skin tones once again, and it's a very beautiful red shade. I totally recommend this color to all of you. The next shade, Smashing Red, is a true blue toned red. This will look good on all skin tones, and you know what? This is the most safest red lipstick on Indian skin tones. This will make your teeth look even whiter. You know, I really love this kind of reds. The next shade, Rhubarb Red, is another beautiful red shade which will work across skin tones. And that's our final and last lipstick swatch. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe and like this video. Bye till my next video.